Today I'm going to show you how I make one of my all-time favorite salads, kale salad. It's loaded with vitamins, nutrients, minerals. It's a superfood, very, very nutritious for you. And these are some of the ingredients that I'm going to add to this kale. It's a fresh bunch of kale that I just gave a quick rinse and a good wash before preparing. And you do want to remove that hard stem there in the middle. You don't want to add that to your salad as it does taste very bitter. So I just chopped the kale into very tiny bite-sized pieces. It didn't take long at all. And I do like to keep a little grocery bag handy just to toss those things in that I'm not going to be using. And so I did add some cubed Swiss cheese, about 3/4 of an 8-ounce block, and I just chopped those into bite-sized pieces. And to me, the texture of cubed cheese versus shredded cheese in this salad makes it so delicious. All those textures with that kale and the different ingredients that I'm adding here, it just makes it absolutely delicious. And in my opinion, cubed cheese gives such a better texture for kale salad versus using shredded cheese. That's just my preference, of course. And if you are watching your salt intake, Swiss cheese, keep in mind, is very, very low in sodium. It's less than 5%, which is a very good percentage to stay at when you're watching sodium. And I am adding some low sodium bacon pieces. It's not the imitation, so make sure you use real bacon pieces for a better taste. Chopped walnuts is another ingredient that I added. You can use pecans, walnuts, whatever you might have on hand. And really, you can add whatever you like to this kale. It's really whatever suits your taste. And I just had a little trail mix left over in a couple of bags that were almost gone, so I didn't want to waste that, so I added it in. Olive oil is something I always add to my greens. It helps our bodies to digest and benefit from all those nutrients. It helps our bodies to break down those nutrients so much better. And Mrs. Dash garlic and herb seasoning, black peppercorn, and you can season it however you like. These are just my preferences. I do like a little bit of citrus in my salads, especially kale salad. So you could squeeze on a little lemon juice if you like. And I did use light mayonnaise. Keep in mind, you can use ranch, you can use olive oil, you could even use, I feel like the Olive Garden salad dressing would be really good in this kale salad. And so I just gave it a little toss. And this is the perfect salad just for one. You could do a salad for two. That bunch of kale that I showed you early in the video, it made enough for two, more than enough, with plenty left over actually. And you can also throw in kale leaves if you're cooking a stir fry, or you can also add it to a fruit smoothie. It makes it delicious. It does stay crispy compared to lettuce or spinach. So if you're going to a cookout or a potluck, kale salad, this recipe would be perfect. It's going to stay crispy and crunchy, and it actually lasts in the refrigerator a good 5 or 6 days, and it keeps its texture. It's delicious. Thank you all so much for watching my video. I will be posting videos weekly. I hope you have a wonderful and blessed week ahead. God bless you, and I'll see y'all later.